Broker is giving away 4,400 in bonuses around the World Cup time here, guys. So we only expect you to join this competition within the period of the World Cup. As you can see the information given here, I'm going to read for you everything from the very beginning to the end, plus the terms and condition of withdrawal from this broker. And the broker's name is ACY Securities. That's giving away up to 440 not deposit bonus, and you actually don't have to deposit anything. All you have to do is just follow a few information on this broker, and then guys, you're gonna also like probably win one of these prizes, and they're really amazing. I've seen some screenshot down here, so you can see this person received 50 here and 100, and those are also no deposit bonuses, and I'm gonna give you the information on how to go about it. As you can see here, they are saying that you can receive up to 440 USD, 4,440 USD. So the bonus type is no deposit bonus or welcome bonus by a contestant. I'm gonna give you information on how to join that contestant, and you don't have to trade anything to receive that bonus. Actually, you just have to follow a few information provided right here. All you have to do first, you have to register on the website. I'm gonna provide the link in the first comment. If you didn't get the link there, just comment and I'll give you the link in front of your comment. You have to do to verify first and verify your email, verify your KYC, which is your no customer, by uploading the proof of identity and also the proof of address. Then you have to claim your bonus after successfully verified. Please, you have to follow the event according to the following schedules. So what they want you to do, you have to follow the event that they provide there, the event of the World Cup. So basically what they mean here, they want you to guess between the two teams that are playing, between the two countries that are playing, which one will be right, which one will win, which one, just bet draw or win, just have to bet one of those, which country will win, or maybe it's a draw or something like that. And if you win, if you are right, then you can receive between 50 to 4,400 no deposit bonus, and you can withdraw after trading 3 standard lots and more. So you can see the withdrawal terms and condition here, guys. They are saying that the bonus cannot be withdrawn, only profit can be withdrawn, minimum of 50, unlimited after completing the total trading volume according to the terms and condition. I can click here to see the terms and condition. I don't want to click there, guys, to waste your time, but basically I can give the name of the website and also the link straight to you so that you guys can read the information yourself right here. So as you can see the terms and condition, client can follow all matches even according to the available schedule. Promotion may change anytime to be stopped, or all the information. So the broker is well regulated. You can see the addresses here, the regulation license, Australian license are also provided here, and the numbers that we can contact and the reference websites are also provided right here on the website. So the broker is legit. So all you've gotta do, just participate in the no deposit bonus competition or contest to choose which country will win, and then you can receive between 50 to 4,400 no deposit bonus right into your account. You can start trading right away. And thank you guys for watching. See you again on the next video.